Bryant Hull here. Welcome to our final step, step 4, the move out process and getting your rental re-rented. It's a sad day when that tenant calls us and says they are moving out. It means that income stream is going to stop and we need to find you a new renter to get that money coming back in. So how does the move out work? First off, the tenant notifies us that they are moving out and they are required to provide a 30-day notice. During those 30 days, there's plenty of work to do. We talk to the tenant, and if they are willing, we do a virtual pre-move out inspection to figure out what work might need to be arranged once the property goes vacant. We can then make sure our subcontractors or vendors can provide estimates quickly upon move out. Also, leading up to the move out date, we will pull comps and discuss your rental price. Once we have agreed on the rental price, we can actually start marketing your property. The typical manager will wait until the property is vacated and ready to show. But TrueDoor, we are different. With our 3D virtual tour, our video walkthrough, and our amazing photos, potential tenants are able to do virtual showings and a video walkthrough anytime they want. We can do this without disturbing the tenants, it's pretty powerful. In fact, it's very common for us to find a renter and have a signed lease before the tenant even moves out. Now, on the day of move out, the tenant returns their keys and openers, and within 24 hours, we will perform our move out inspection, take photos, document any damage, and figure out what rent-ready work may need to be done. This inspection helps us to determine the security deposit refund. Also, while at the property, we try to schedule vendors to provide an estimate for the necessary improvements to get your property rent-ready. Now, many property owners want to charge the tenant for every little thing. However, landlords are limited to charging for cleanings and damage beyond normal wear and tear. We follow the Department of Consumer Affairs on their guidelines regarding tenants and security deposits. Our goal is simply to keep you out of small claims court. Now, we have 21 days from move out to issue the security deposit and a detailed receipt of any deductions. We will manage this process to ensure that it gets done properly and on time. We will manage any work or repairs that are needed to get your property ready, and we will verify that that work gets done. Once the property is rent ready, we either continue marketing it if it's still vacant, or if we have already found a tenant, we screen them, sign the lease, and move those tenants in. We hope these videos provided some insight into how we can help you with your rental property. Thank you for watching, and thank you for choosing TrueDoor Property Management, providing you 5-star results, making you more money with less drama.